Alright, so a third go at the reverse chain rule here. We're going to anti-differentiate this. Now, it might not be immediately apparent. It's reverse chain rule, so there's going to be a derivative in the integrand. So we've got cos 3x minus x cubed times x squared minus 1. Now, before we start, it's probably a good idea to revise, or maybe learn for the first time, a rule for differentiating a cos. So here's our little rule here. The integral of cos kx with respect to x is equal to sine kx over k, this number here, plus c. Now, if you look here, 3x minus x cubed, the derivative of that is going to be 3x squared plus 3, so negative 3x squared plus 3. Now, that's going to be a multiple of, or that's a multiple of that. So, sorry, the multiple of the derivative of that. So we're going to be able to use that. Same deal again, we've got a function, so let 3x minus x cubed equal u. Now, the derivative of u with respect to x is equal to 3 minus 3x squared. And then we can rearrange that to make dx the subject. The derivative of u, 3 minus 3x squared. Now that we've got that, we can sort of build all of this up from scratch. So, the integral of x squared minus 1 cos 3x minus x cubed is going to be 3x minus x cubed is equal to u cos u. With respect to x, so that's going to be du 3 minus 3x squared. Okay, so we've got this, this x squared minus 1, and we can see this out here. If I bring negative 3 out as a common factor, I'm going to end up with, that, x squared minus 1, because that's negative 3x squared, positive 3, that's the same as that there. And if I end up with that, I can cancel these out. So now, I have this negative 3 here is like 1 over negative 3. So I can bring that up way out the front here. And now I'm just left with cos u with respect to u. And now all I'm doing is applying this rule here. So the integral is going to be 1 over negative 3. Cos becomes sine kx. Well, the k is just 1. So sine u over k. Well, there's no k, so it's just over 1. So I don't even need that there. Let's just put that there for now. Plus c on the end. That looks pretty good. The u is 3 minus 3x squared. And that times and negative a third, because that's times, that can go on the bottom now. So now I end up with sine of 3 minus 3x squared. Plus c. Don't forget your plus c. I know I'm going to forget it a lot. Make sure you don't. Reverse chain rule.